If you're waiting for the perfect market to start in real estate investing, you're going to be waiting forever. Instead of waiting, here's what smart investors are doing right now. So first, let's look at what the 2025 market actually looks like for an investor. Rates have been stuck in those high 6.8 to 7% range, keeping payments high, although they have been coming down recently. Inventory is creeping up, but most sellers are still hanging on to crazy price expectations that we've been seeing. And buyers have slowed down, and homes are sitting on the market longer, leading to more price drops. But here's the flip side. That shift means more leverage for buyers, especially for investors who are prepared. You actually have some room to negotiate now instead of there being 10 plus offers on every piece of crap you see on the market. Next, I hear this question all the time. Should I wait until rates drop or prices fall? Listen, trying to time the market perfectly almost never works and is a waste of valuable time. And while you're waiting for some made up perfect timing, rates might actually go up, inflation continues to erode your buying power, and rents keep rising. And you're building someone else's equity while you keep waiting. The better question to ask yourself is, how do I invest smart in this market? Because real estate's still one of the strongest wealth building tools out there, and here's why. Number one, cash flow is still possible. Higher mortgage payments are making it harder to find cash flowing deals, but it is still possible with the right market or creative strategies. Number two, appreciation. It's the long game, but the sooner you buy, the sooner it starts building. Number three, comes with plenty of tax advantages. Things like write-offs for interest, depreciation, and even travel to check on your properties. Get yourself a good accountant and the benefits will come. Number four is leverage. Where else could you control a $300,000 asset for 20% down or even less? And lastly, it acts as a great inflation hedge. So if you're just getting started in real estate investing, here's what you should actually focus on. Number one, buy right and not fast. Skip the bidding wars and wait for a deal that actually fits your numbers. Number two, to get started, be creative. House hack, try seller financing, or partner with someone on your first deal. Anything to get you in the game. Number three, use tech to your advantage. From deal analysis to property management, there are tons of tools to help you get a handle on your investing. And lastly, but always an important one, learn from the right people. Talk to experienced investors because they've been where you are. And here's what's not working for investors in today's market. Number one, betting on appreciation alone. Your deal needs to work now and not rely on future increases or appreciation that may never come. Number two, over leveraging. Always keep and replenish your reserves as you use them. And number three, doing your research. Not every strategy works in every city, so it's important to know where you plan to invest and what strategy you plan to employ. So look, if you feel like 2025 is a confusing time to invest, you're not wrong. Even experienced investors are adjusting right now. But here's the difference. They're still moving. Real estate is a long game. It's about time in the market, not timing the market. If you can learn to stay calm and learn how to navigate uncertainty, you're going to be ahead of the curve. So don't overthink, start small, and start smart. And most importantly, just start. And if you want help running numbers or figuring out a strategy that makes sense for your goals, shoot me a DM or drop a comment and I'll be happy to walk you through it.